is your life? What is your life? You are a mist that appears for a little while and then vanishes. James 4:14. Moses said to the Lord in Psalm 95 verse 6, 5 to 6, you sweep men away in the sleep of death. They are like the new grass of the morning, though in springs it springs up new, by evening it is dry and withered. It is sometimes said that nothing is certain in life except death and taxes. But that is not wholly true. A clever man with a good lawyer can find a way around it, around most of it, not all of his taxes. But no one escapes death. No one. As George Bernard Shaw remarked, the statistics in death have not changed. 1 out of 1 person dies. That's the reality, mga kapatid. Kaya meron tayong National Census Authority, NSA, nandun nakatala yung kapanganakan and ang ating death certificate. So, ano po ang message?